In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Brevo account. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to the correct Brevo account in your web browser. Closing an account is a permanent action, so it is a good idea to take a moment to confirm you are working in the right place. If you have any data you may want later, such as contact lists, campaign reports, or invoices, you should save what you need first, because once the account is closed, you may not be able to access it again. Once you are logged in and you are on the main Brevo dashboard, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You will see your account area there. Click the Account drop-down menu. This drop-down is where Brevo groups the options tied to your profile and account management, so it is the starting point for account changes. After you open the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you into the section where Brevo stores your main configuration options. Give the page a second to load fully, and then look through the settings screen. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings page. The option to delete the account is usually placed near the bottom to prevent accidental clicks. When you reach the end of the page, find and click Close your account. Clicking this will begin the account closure process, and Brevo may display a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. To finalize the deletion, click Yes when you see the confirmation. This last confirmation is the point of no return, so only click it after you are fully certain. Once you confirm, Brevo will start closing your account. You may be signed out automatically, and any active services connected to that account may stop working. If you manage multiple workspaces or accounts, take an extra second to verify you closed the intended one, especially if you are switching between accounts in the same browser. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.